Now in this Primavera, we will see how to input original budget for each and every WBS element. So for that, I'm just going for one project. So I'm just going to name this as original budget. So I'm just taking OB. Right click and open. So this you can use for any kind of project. The same procedure applicable. Now I'm just going for project WBS, which means like work breakdown structure. We don't have any work breakdown structure here. Once you create it from here, it will reflect there. So how you can create? You can click like this, and you can make use of the hierarchy. And again you can make use of the hierarchy, and you can make use left, and again you can go for another sub elements. See, automatically the WBS code will come. Only we need to input the names. For example, I'm just going for A here. So B here. This is A1 and A2. These are all the work breakdown structures. So B1. So B1.1 like that. So you can name whatever you want. So accordingly, if you go here, so it will be updated. See, currently here it is not updated well. What you can do means like go to file and you can just go for refresh data. Once you click refresh data, you can able to see some changes. So this is what exactly it should look. So you need to like create WBS, and you can close the activity and you can open it again, or you can just go to file and then refresh all or refresh data. Once you refresh only, it will be getting updated. Otherwise, the elements will not be updated well. So that you need to keep in your mind. Now what you can do means like in WBS, we are just going to input some budget. See, for the whole project, I'm just going to take a budget log here in detail section. So we can input the original budget. But here we need to see the currency. So by default, the rupee currency, it was not here. What we can do means like we can go for admin and currency, and you can able to create your own currencies. So I'm just giving the currency ID. It should be unique, and you can put the currency name, Indian rupee. New I'm putting, for example, and you can able to put the symbol. So this symbol you can copy from Google and you can able to paste here. And the exchange rate also you can able to change. By default one it will come. No need to worry about that. And the decimal symbol, grouping symbol, decimal places, negative currency, everything it will be like this. So if it is like negative, it will be in the braces and it will be in red color. So that's why it is like sample currency symbol it is showing. So close it. Now you can able to just change this from edit user preferences and currency, and you can able to change the currency that we have created. So double click it. Now you can able to see the symbol and the decimal digit. So digit grouping and everything it is applicable. Close. Now it's like updated. Now we can able to input our original budget for each and every WBS element. As a whole, I am just going to put some 50,000 Indian rupee. So if I'm just putting the original budget 50,000 Indian rupee, then we can able to see the budget summary. Then we have unallocation. So I'm just going to allocate this for this and then this. So I'm just going to put budget log for 20,000, and for this I'm just going for 30,000. So in this way we can able to see the budget summary. For the original budget, it should have unallocation. So we need to distribute all the current budget. So there should not be any unallocation. So here by default the original budget it won't be available. You can just go to column and customize, and from here you can go for find and you can able to search something and you can able to get the original budget by clicking this icon, so that here it is available and you need to click OK. So by default it will be like this. Okay, so from here you can able to take whatever you want using this arrow and then click OK. Now I'm just going to put cancel. So here also like unallocation is there. So what we can put means like here we can able to put distribute that to 10,000 and then 10,000. So and then here again distribution needed. So totally here I'm just going to distribute to 30,000, and obviously from here to here. So currently we don't have more elements, so I'm just going to put 30,000 here. So when you click this, you should not have any unallocation. So the final element we can able to have unallocation, because this we are going to allocate to the activities. or we can able to put that in our spending plan. So all these things will get updated. So like this, for any project you can able to put the original budget. And at the same time, for this element A, we are getting some budget logs. So we are getting some three budget logs of 10,000, again 5,000, again some 2,000, and we can able to put the responsible person, Mr. A. So Mr. B, for example, otherwise you can type the person name. So and then reason, some site cost, travel cost, delay cost, something. There will be some reason that you can able to input here. See, when you have pending all this 10 plus 5 plus 2 17,000, it will get updated only in the proposed budget. Okay, for example, in this I'm just going to put this one, first one, as approved. Then it will updated in the current budget. Only the approved budget logs will updated in the current budget. Now this one I'm just going to put pending only, but the third one I'm just going to put not approved, which means that the 2000 or that 5000, 2000 only, it never update anywhere, even in the current budget, even in the proposed budget. So these are all the three kinds of budget logs we can able to have for any project that you can able to trace from here. So original budget, it never change, only the current budget and proposed budget, it used to vary depend on the approvals. So this you can able to see and approve. Once approve everything, it will get updated in the current budget. Still the original budget never update. Then we can able to compare. See, now itself, like there is a variance of 10,000. So now we are spending more on our project. So for that comparison, the original budget will never get updated. Unless otherwise, if you change here, it will update. Manual changing we can able to do. And at the same time, like here we are getting three kinds: approved, not approved, pending. So all this we can able to minimize, and we can able to see the total cost and everything. So this original budget video will be useful for anyone, for any project, so make use of it.